Time now for Ask the Expert. Mornings can be hectic for parents and children who are rushing out the door to get to school and work on time.
Yes, but you should never skip or skimp your morning dental routine.
So we have Dr. Laura Goodell, a pediatric dentist with Dental Associates. She has some tips for making the morning and evening dental routine go quickly and smoothly. You're saying if we take these tips, everything will go well.
Everything should go well,
Should go well.
yes.
Keep your fingers crossed.
So what are some of the most important things, especially to get kids in that routine right off the bat?
Yeah, so establishing a daily oral hygiene routine is really important for our little ones. In the morning, we need to make sure that we're setting our alarm and getting up before school early enough to get that toothbrushing done and to give our kids a healthy breakfast before we send them off to school. You know, when we hit the snooze button or we're running around late, the toothbrushing is the first thing that gets cut.
And you're saying toothbrushing you should do it for at least 2 minutes. It's not just a quick...
Exactly. 2 minutes every morning as soon as we get up, and then 2 minutes every night last thing before we climb into bed.
Is that the brushing and flossing or the combination?
So the flossing is key here.
Yeah.
We do want that flossing every night is when I like for parents to really help their kids with the toothbrushing and the flossing.
All right, we can make this fun, right? I mean, the toothbrushes look really cool. The toothpaste tastes okay, right? Yeah. This should be an easy sell.
So parents always ask me, how can I make this more fun for my kids? How can I get them to cooperate? One really easy way is to let your children pick out a cool toothbrush and a toothpaste that they really like. There's toothbrushes that have timers and lights. There's one that sings songs. So really find something that they like, and if they're excited about it, they should be a little more cooperative for you when it comes to actually doing the brushing and flossing.
And I know because I've tried that mouthwash. It's bubblegum flavor.
It is.
And it's actually pretty awesome.
It is.
Yeah.
Yep.
So, you know, rather than that minty, kids can kind of, and that prevents against tartar and stuff, correct?
Exactly. Well, this one here is an anti-cavity rinse that will help prevent kids that are more prone to cavities.
So let's get to some of the snacks. We just have a few seconds left because I want to eat pretty much all of them.
Yes.
Sure. So I did want to talk about after-school snacks. After-school time can be a big pitfall for kids because they come home hungry from school and they just want to pig out on anything that's you know, available. So we want to make sure our families are stocking their pantries and fridge with healthy and nutritious foods for their kids. Good after-school snacks are things like cheese and crackers, pretzels, popcorn, fresh fruits, things like that.
And you got a little peanut butter in there too, right?
Apple and peanut butter is my favorite after-school snack.
For sure.
Yeah, you
Stay
can't
away
ask
from
for
candy.
Absolutely.
That's what will...
All right, good stuff. Thank you, Dr. Goodell.
Thank you.
If you have a question for our experts, email them at today's TMJ4, or you can give us a call right there and leave us a voicemail.